everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video. In this video I'll be showing you guys how to create a SoFi Invest account on iPhone. First of all, download the SoFi app on the Apple Store and open it. Next, tap sign up to create a new SoFi account or login if you already have one. Tap the Invest tab at the bottom and select the create a new account. Choose your account type, active, brokerage, self-directed for full control. Enter your personal information, employment details, and financial background. Verify your identity with your SSN or government ID. Link your bank account and deposit funds to start investing. Privacy tip: only provide your SSN and bank details inside the official SoFi app to stay secure. Quick fix: if the app glitches, restart the app or your iPhone and try again. Contact SoFi support or if verification or account creation fails, and that's it. Subscribe for more